hey, people are genuinely making money here. Hi, my name is Tyler, I'm 20, and I am an artist and creative. I think what motivates me most to learn investing is the fact that as a Gen Z, I'm approaching a global economic market that isn't exactly friendly to my generation. It's almost impossible for my generation to own a house. Rentals are going up, inflation is going up. And I think financial literacy and investment is honestly something that is very important to learn as a defense against the rising cost of living in general. My favorite part of the course so far has been just learning about the fundamentals of financial literacy. There's a lot of terminology that we don't understand. I didn't even know what a price-to-book ratio or even a balance sheet was before all this. I'd heard the terms, but I don't think there was anybody really breaking it down and explaining what each factor is and how it really plays out and how everything works. And I think the best part about VIP was that they really sit you down and help you understand how the financial market works. I love the atmosphere here. I think everybody's very welcoming, but I really enjoy how well he breaks down the basics of finance, and it just leaves you a better investor overall. I think the most helpful lesson to me so far has been how to evaluate stocks and understanding the intrinsic value principle, understanding when to buy a stock, when to sell a stock, when a stock is overvalued, undervalued. If you apply the concepts right, if you actually sit down, focus, and learn, you can make money and you can secure your future, especially for the young people. When we look at how bleak our future is looking right now with the way markets are going, the way politics is going, we want a way to move up in life, and you're not going to get that by working a 9-to-5 anymore. Coming for this course is your best bet toward securing a safer financial future for yourself.